Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the notification button down below so every time I post a video, you'll get notified. And today I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's look. You know, I'm single, I don't have a Valentine's, but this is for all you people going out. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So today I'm gonna be using the Subculture palette by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. These are the colors. The first color I'm gonna go in is Dawn and have it as my base color. This palette's really pigmented. Now I'm gonna do my other eye. After you're done doing that, make sure you blend it to your satisfaction. Now I'm gonna go in with Mercury. I'm gonna put that on the edge. And now I'm gonna do Mercury on my other eye. After you're done blending, you should have this ombre effect sort of thing going on. I'm gonna go in with the color High. It's in the Urban Decay Naked palette, the smoky eye palette. Because this one doesn't have the color I want. And I'm gonna put it on my lid. So this is how it should look. Okay, now that I'm done with that step, I'm gonna go with the All-Star color in the Anastasia palette. I'm gonna be doing an eyeliner out of that color. I'm gonna use this tiny brush and just like how I would normally do my eyeliner, but with eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna repeat this step on my other eye. What I'm gonna do is do that, you know, that triangle in my inner eye corner so my eyes pop out more with the same color. Like that, so you can see that my eye looks more popped out and, you know, like a cat eye. That was a lion or a tiger. Yeah, never mind. After you're done with this step, you're gonna go and do it on your other eyeball. Now that I'm done doing this step, I'm gonna go in with a small little brush and just kind of like clean it up a little bit. This is how it should look. Now that I'm done with this step, I'm gonna go in and put my falsies on. I'm going in with the CoverGirl mascara. These lashes, these are my favorite lashes. You can find them at literally any drugstore. Okay, now that I have my eyelashes on, I'm gonna go in with the mascara and do my bottom lashes so my eyes pop out more. I'm gonna go in with this color. I'm just gonna put it on the edge of my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia. This color, it's called Rust, so it has like an ombre effect on it. I'm gonna blend it with one of my brushes I have for lipstick. Okay, now that I'm done with this makeup look, I'm gonna put my hair down. This is the final look. If you guys are feeling extra, I got gems. I've used them, so there's not a lot in there, but I'm gonna put them under my eyes. So this is the extra part. You put 2 gems under each eye and it'll look like this. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it and leave a thumbs up. I hope you guys had a wonderful day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.